What's up guys, it's Jake here with Mile to Wild, out on the Animas River here today to give you guys some tips and tricks on how to paddleboard. All right guys, the most common way that people get on their paddleboards starts with the knees. And the first step to getting up onto your feet is starting to move your weight forward on the paddleboard. As soon as you move that weight forward on the paddleboard, it gives you a little bit of balance with your right and your left hand. And as soon as that happens, you can shift that right or left leg up and start moving your body forward. So once you transition from your knees to your feet, you will assume an athletic position. You want your knees bent, shoulder width apart. Right in the middle of the paddleboard, you'll see a little strap, and that's gonna be probably your best point of reference. All right guys, proper paddle grip is essential to your success here on the Animas River. First thing you're gonna wanna do is find the very top of your paddle and cup it. We call this a T-grip. All right, the next tip that I've got for you guys is a concept in river knowledge that we call ferrying. It's probably one of the most important things that you'll learn when you do paddleboard because it helps you get to where you need to be. Ferrying in the river is something that allows us to create an angle upstream. So if I'm trying to get to a spot across the river, I'm gonna wanna ferry my paddleboard at an angle. Something that helps me do this is picking a point across the river. So I'm gonna pick this rock right here. This is a pretty good looking rock. I like that rock. And I'm gonna create an angle with my paddleboard to move slowly upstream and towards that rock.